All right, so here we go. This is the Reunion Resort. This is another floor plan at the Reunion. If you saw the recording that I showed you of our in the last video, it was our unit. Now I'm in one of our friends' units. They're here. They're right next door to us. There's some subtle differences. Their unit is on the end of the building, so the way the setup is slightly different. Still 3 bedrooms, still 3 bathrooms. If you haven't seen the previous video to compare, I recommend that you go ahead and do that. But let's take a look. So you come in the door, and right to the left, first thing you're gonna see is a bedroom. This is a good bedroom, and it's a good sized bedroom, and this is a little bit different than the previous bedroom that you saw. In fact, one of the differences is the bathroom. This bathroom is much larger than the one in our unit. And there's a separate vanity area, and then there's a shower. Let's just keep going here so you can take a look at this. As you walk back out the bedroom, come back down the hallway, to the right is the guest bedroom. This is a similar setup. In fact, it's the same setup as the one in our unit that you saw in the previous video. Again, if you haven't seen that, check it out. Hey, if you like to vacation, you like to travel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're always showing you cool places, ways to save money, places to travel. All right, this is the kitchen, exact same layout as ours. The bathroom is right here, right off the previous guest room, right, I can't quite see it, right there. All right, again, that's just like ours. However, this is where it starts to get interesting. The back bedroom is one area, and then take a look at this. So we got the dining area here, seats up to 8 people, just like ours. 3 bar stools, kitchen, all that's the same. Notice the windows. This is an end unit, so you got windows. Notice a wall goes out. That was different in our unit. Plus, look how the living room is set up. I actually think it's a little bit more cozy, the way the living room is set up. Again, this is still about 1,800 square feet. If you remember, our living room is set up where it takes up the full area. This living room is set up with a walkway behind the couch. You come this way, and here you are to the master bedroom. We'll step in here. Master bedroom. I don't want to go all over their stuff because, again, this is our friend's unit. They did give me permission to be here, but that's the bathroom. The bathroom is identical to the previous bathroom. Now, here's another change I want to show you. Take a look at this. It's the balcony. If you remember, our balcony went the full length. It was huge. This balcony is a much smaller balcony. It really just depends on what you get. There's the entrance from the bedroom right there to this balcony. So it really just depends on what you want on the end units. The end units have more windows. During the day, some great light comes through the windows. If I ended up in an end unit, I wouldn't be upset. It literally wouldn't bother me at all. Now I want you to know, both units, tremendous savings. We ended up getting this unit and the unit next door was about $2,200 each. We got it for $300 for the week. In fact, our unit that you saw in the previous video is next door. My wife's over there. The family that's here is over there. They're just having a big old party. I just want to come over here and do a quick recording. Listen, if you want a vacation, if you like vacation, make sure you hit subscribe to the channel. If you want to save money on your future vacations, we're talking about saving 25% off, 50% off, in some cases 80% or more off your next vacation, your next accommodations. Make certain, go down in the comments and say, I want to save money on vacation, or help me save money on vacation. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.